When I was growing up, during the time where we would have storms and the power would go out, Dad would go to work. He would tuck us into bed and say, "That's okay, I've got this. I'm gonna go turn the lights on." When you'd wake up in the morning and the storm had cleared and the lights were on, you realize that it takes people to pull the grid together and to turn those lights back on. I'm Director of Safety currently at Southern California Edison. We've got over 13,000 employees. The powerful thing about being with an electric utility is that we are really a community service. We can't live without electricity. We need an incredibly efficient and strong workforce in order to serve the community as a whole. I was a transfer student to Cal Poly Pomona, and the university that I was at before, I was not welcomed as an engineering student. I like to say haters can be motivators. That motivated me to look elsewhere. I excelled in the lab when I could see things, when I could break them apart and put them back together. I knew that Cal Poly Pomona was the only option there was. That is where I was going to learn by doing. That is where I was going to spend the most time in the lab, and where I was going to get the education that I needed to support the career that I was looking forward to. Very few campuses offered programming where I could actually learn about the utility grid. And so the power program here focused on power engineering. And so I was able to really dig in and ask questions about the future that I wanted. And then not only that, but have labs where I could apply that knowledge. The biggest impact that I want to have is for the young women. I want them to see me and know that they can have a successful career in engineering, to inspire them to do whatever it is they want to do. As a young engineer, you are very focused on the math and science of engineering and technology. And then as you progress through your career, you recognize that it's not just the math behind a problem. It's the people coming together and how they work and support one another, how they operate as a team. That's how you really solve the problems. That's what makes us a strong workforce. That is what will help us evolve and to serve the next generation.